Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your name or write something, anything, or add a program in the right click context menu of your desktop in this section. So to do that, just follow my step. So to do that, open your Registry Editor. By doing so, open your run window, then type that, and after opening the Registry Editor, navigate yourself to H key, classes root, expand it, and then go down, more down, go down, almost there, in the directory, expand it, and then background, expand it, and shell. So you need to right click on the shell and create a key. So new and then key, and name the key anything you want, your name or anything like that. So when you right click on your desktop, you will see that in that right click section like that here. So if you now click on it, nothing will happen because you did not associate any program with it. So if you wish to just add your name here, you are done. But if you want to open a program, when you click it, you need to do another step. So to do that, copy the path of your favorite program first. So I am using the VLC media player, so go to the directory where your favorite app or program install, and then copy the path of its exe file, executable. So I'm going to the VLC directory and copy the vlc.exe path, right click it, property, and then security tab, and copy the path from here, copy it, and then get back to the Registry Editor, and this time right click on your name section you just created, and then create a key, new, and then key, and this time name it to command, not anything else, only the command, and the right panel of it, double click here, and then paste up the path of your favorite program here, and that's it. Now when you click on your name, the VLC media player will open. So I'm going to show you. I'm clicking it and the VLC media player will open like that. So you can use any program to open here, like Google Chrome or anything else. So I am renaming it to VLC, so that when I click on the VLC, it will open the VLC like that. See? So that's the end of this video, and hope this helped you guys, and thank you for watching and have a good day.